Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today's our new video is modern kitchen cabinet design ideas with price. So friends, nowadays kitchen interior designing has trending topic and everyone like its interest to make their home kitchens its modular kitchen by using different interior designing techniques. Modular kitchen designing meaning it's making compact space with of the use modern touch. For designing kitchens is modular kitchen. Various sizes, designs of drawers, cabinets and shelves. Suitable color them. These furniture designs comes in many variations of styles and colors. So designers arrange this according to kitchen structure and functionality. In today's date is most of people want to buy homes, flats, and they already furniture have modular kitchen in interiors. So master bedroom design and luxurious living room decor, all is etc. So at the home selling time, adding little bit of touch of their interiors to the kitchen, very beneficial to sale house of your with extra price than the normal cost. A perfect modular kitchen design has everything that we want. We need as per our easy reach and convenience. Kitchen is place where we spend lot of time for making food for the entire time, eating time, and making this place well structured. It's very useful to making cooking simple to easier and comfortable experience. Before designing your kitchen interior is discuss with any interior designers about the right designing layout that suit for your kitchen space for make it perfect, which type of storage options you can add to it, and type of lighting will play and will make its kitchen ambience fresh and pleasant and beautiful. And the main motto behind the kitchen interior designing to make the space well arranged to improve users and experience by properly using managing to the available space and environment. Nowadays, kitchen interior designing is trending topic. Everyone like its interest to make their home kitchens is modular kitchen by using different interior design techniques. Modular kitchen designing is meaning to make compact space use of modern touch for designing kitchens, modular kitchens, and various sizes designs of drawers and cabinets and shelves, suitable color theme. These furniture designs comes in many variations of styles and colors. So designers arrange this according to kitchen structure and functionality. And today's date is most of people want to buy homes, flats, and they are already furniture have modular kitchen designs and master bedroom design and luxurious living room decor, etc. So at the home selling time, adding little bit touch of interior to the kitchen very beneficial to sale of your house with extra price than the normal cost. A perfect modular kitchen design has everything that we want. We need the kitchen cabinets are the main place where we store everything. We are going to use the part of the house and that will need to the everyday, even several timings during in single day. For all these reasons and many more, we cannot ignore the cabinets in our kitchens because the more comfortable, spacious and large, it will much be better. They should offer us to place store everything. At the same time, they should also look good and make the kitchen well decorated. That is, the finishes must beautiful finishes and give a feeling spaciousness. Currently in the market, there are thousands of shapes, colors, sizes, and styles for what you like. The final choice will depend on the style of decorate that we want that combine perfectly with the other furniture that we are using in the cabinets, such as tables, stools, chairs, and etc. And the installation of good cabinets is our kitchen is investment because it's value our homes, and although it's true that can be expensive to choose good cabinets, we'll finally realize that we have made excellent decision. The kitchen cabinets are that really change the face of transform this part of your house. Therefore, when choosing them, we find wide variety of options and difficult to know which is a perfect for us. And although it's true that you have chosen according to the decorative you have, and that does not mean that we will be forced to choose the same materials for the same colors. And far from that, the combination of materials as well as the contrast have much and prominence in the choice for the same. In this video, I present modular kitchen cabinets for your houses with sauce and best ideas for your make any kitchen cabinets. The design of handles, these cabinets of uniform designs and large storage capacity could be very conventional batch of design, the handles to handle, which was the small. We know a little about spacing in the kitchen design. The fascinating thing is everyone is different. It depends not only what you cook, but how you like to cook. It's when you like to eat, and with homeware, the list goes on just for your many reasons that your kitchen is the center of your house. One of the biggest part of good kitchen design is about how you use the space. And it's your kitchen cabinetry that dictates how much if you want to have. If you have kitchens allowed to ample storage, it's allowed to choose extra space for something else instead, maybe something functional like in appliances or maybe extra touch of personal styling and depending on your taste. When it comes to choosing your kitchen cabinets too, there might be far more options than you first thought. Will it be freestanding or wall mounted? Do you have room for it? This is how you got the space for extended in many ways of the ceilings. And both can you give extra options for maximum floor space, allowing to more room and creative. And whatever it's for floor space or storage for your crockery and cluttery and functionality of your kitchen is essential based on the functionality of your cabinets. So it's not quick decision. That heading says all is really along with elements like your worktops, lightnings, your cabinetry is one of the biggest influencer of the overall kitchen style. These materials you use for them don't necessarily have to match those for your worktops. For example, but they not need to be complement each other and wonderfully if they contrast with each other. Amazing batch. One thing you cannot be ignored their massive influence. Your kitchen cabinetry is one of the first thing any visitors to your house will spot in your kitchen. So they are going to have a big say in the look, feel, and overall tone you want your room is communicate. Dark wood cabinetry, for example, can embody a more traditional feel where white or cream roads, a far far more suited to the contemporary style. You can even make some skillful use of materials for your cabinets to create impression. For example, frosted glass can help to give illumination of more space. If you are thinking about redesigning your kitchen, your cabinetry is one of the first things that you will need to be bear in the mind. Maybe you like and the way is currently, or maybe you're thinking about something whatever planning home remodel or looking to update your kitchen. The cabinetry design and installation can be significant role. Cabinets are essential to any interiors, adding style and function to the overall space. However, some key elements must be considered when it comes to designing and installing cabinets for your house. When it comes to the cabinetry design, several factors need to be considered from materials, quality to layout of aesthetic choice. And thoughtful design is essential for creating functionality and beautiful space. Choosing the suitable material for your cabinets is critical. High quality woods such as marble or cherry will ensure long life and while still looking great. and we offer to the great and variety of cabinet lines